Just a quick recap on yesterday's lesson on area, perimeter, and volume. So first thing we looked at was how we could find the perimeter and area of a rectangle. To find the perimeter, all we need to do is add together all of the sides of the shape. So the perimeter is just the total distance around the outside of the shape. So we look at this rectangle, 10 meters down there, so we're going to have 10 meters here as well, and we're also going to have 4 meters there. So for the perimeter, we're just going to add all of those together. So 10 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to give us 28. And it's just meters because it's a measurement of distance. For area, we're going to use the formula, which is the length times the width. So in this case, it's just 4 multiplied by 10, which is going to give us 40. And then for area, we're going to have meters squared. The next thing we looked at was how we could find the perimeter and area of compound shapes. So often you'll be given missing sides, so we have to work those out first of all. So if we see it's 10 centimeters across the bottom, and this is 6, 6 plus whatever is here has to equal 10. So that's going to be 4 centimeters. And then for this one, 5 plus whatever goes here is going to equal 8. So that's going to give us 3 centimeters. Again, for the perimeter, we will just add all of those together, which is going to give us 36, in this case, centimeters. For the area, we have to do something a little bit different, and we have to split the shape into 2 parts. So I'm going to choose to split the shape here. So now I've got 2 rectangles. Looking at the first rectangle, I can say that the area is going to be the length times the width. So 6 times 5, 30 centimeters squared. And over here, it's going to be 4 times 8, which is going to give me 32 centimeters squared. I then just have to add those 2 together to give me the total area. So the area is going to be equal to 30 plus 32, 62 centimeters squared. The last thing we looked at was the volume of a cuboid. This is a cuboid. So now we're into 3-dimensional shapes. And to find the volume of any cuboid, we just multiply the length times by the width times by the height. So in this case, the volume is just equal to 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. So the volume, if we work that all out, it's going to be 10 times 5 is 50, 50 times 4 is 200. When we're working in volume, our units are going to be cubed. So 200 centimeters cubed.